So, this is Will's room. A little messy, but, you know. And my dog. If you can see, Cujo. So, guys, if you think so, then, well, let me think here for a second. I need some work, but Cujo likes it. Yes, he does. Don't even know what I'm talking about. So if you do, please like this video and have a nice day, guys. See ya.